Fish here, you know, everything well laid out, and I want to put some thyme on top of it.
Every time we hit the lick, we split the guap in half. Every time we get this shit, we just complete the task. In the beginning, it was hard to tell a fish from Mars. No one could tell if you a snake just by the way you laugh. If I hyenas mix with lions, they get rip apart. So bring your heat, cause I got iron minus all the talk. Walking on my heart, shit been getting cold lately. Guess we December bonds turn out to some cool days.
What up, guys? What up, guys? We back again with another video with the Dive Kid. Yeah, today we're gonna be doing some spear fishing. We got shoveled back on the island again, so we're gonna be doing some spear fishing. And we have Mark with us today. Not Marcus, but we got Mark with us today. So right now we have a tropical storm out there. It should be coming in tonight. And so we decided before this weather come in, let's take a dive, you know? Let the waters be calm before the storm, so we're gonna take a dive. See if we get some fish. Right now it's like 6:30 or 6:20 in the morning. So we'll be out maybe like in 2 hours time, be out of the water, or an hour and a half, you know? So thanks for all the support, guys, and see you guys in the water. What's up, guys? We here again with the Dive Kid. I just come to tell you guys that the reason why I didn't have much videos in the water is because I had some technical difficulties with the camera, so I didn't get to shoot one footage in the water. So yeah, thanks for all the support, and you keep watching this video. Okay, guys, this is what we catch today. You know, nice fish, yeah, man, nice catch. Everybody eat good for the little weather we are coming tonight. Okay guys, we're back out of the water now. We had some technical difficulties in the water, so I couldn't shoot any videos. But what I'm gonna do here now, I'm gonna clean the fish. And yeah, from there we go ahead. So here guys. Guys, I have the fish here in some water. I cut them up in some small pieces already. So what I'm gonna do next is go home and put them on the grill or in the oven. I don't know what I want to do as yet. So I have some lime, squeeze some lime inside of it, and from there should be good. Okay guys, so they well squeeze some lime around them, take out the freshness, you know, and I'm gonna season them up. Okay guys, we got a fish here, well seasoned up, ready to put on. What up guys, it's your boy Kevinthedivekidd. Today we're doing a little cook up in the kitchen, you know. Here I got my little fish I catch earlier today, you know. I'm eating with some potatoes here I cut up already, and some croutons, you know. A little light meal with the best of the best avocado, and I have my greens here. So what I'm gonna do basically is I put this here, the fish, to bake in this pan, okay? So let me just take my greens out. Today wasn't a bad day at all, you know. We actually went out for like about an hour, but I had some technical difficulties with the camera, so I couldn't shoot much videos in the water. Yeah guys, so today I couldn't shoot much videos in the water. Had some technical difficulties, so I do a little cook up for you, you know. Yeah man, chef in the kitchen, the Dive Kid. I'm not gonna use much of this because I'm gonna use a little piece of both. You know? Yeah, so today wasn't a bad day as I mentioned earlier. You know, so it wasn't a bad day. It was me, Sherbert, today with Mark. I had my eyes on a nice yellowtail, but I couldn't catch him by, so yeah. So thanks for all the support guys, you know. Keep sharing. I know I don't post much. You know, when I get myself a little boat, I'll be able to post some videos more often. So yeah. So I'm gonna do now. Cut up my greens. I don't cut them too small. So I like them. Real vibes. Okay guys, so now I have all my greens cut up. What I'm gonna do now, place my bowl here. I have some olive oil. You don't put too much, you know. I have some olive oil just so the fish don't stick on the pan. You know? Yeah man. If you guys want some lessons, you know, come ahead, I teach you how to cook. Yeah, so all this fish I seasoned already. Yeah. Okay guys, so I have the fish here. You know, everything well laid out. And I want to put some thyme on top of it. This here, fresh. Now let me thyme them to the signature. Get a little, you know, flavor. Yeah. Okay. So now we're looking good. What I'm gonna do now is me cooking the fish. My girl gonna be dealing with this here, you know. So I'll show you guys exactly what she's doing, okay? So see you guys when this is almost finished, okay? Real vibes. Get out of here. I'm gonna cover it with the foil paper.
Is it paper?
Yeah.
Oh gosh.
So you have the season up the potatoes, you know. Yeah man. I just showing her how to cook, you know. She's still learning.
Don't sit me up. Right.
Okay, let's go with the salad. Easy with the salad. Easy with the salad. You should open it, it's hot. So this here, I love this. My favorite. Love this. Let's see the salad. And the best of the best is avocado. Whoever says they don't eat avocado, they got a problem. Yeah guys, testing. This is my girl doing this though. This is on me, but you know, basic food, you know. Nothing too fancy. See guys, so the fish cook up, you know. Yeah, man. Woo, steam. Steam, boy. Real vibes, guys.